observe sound, it's very interesting thing. There are so many sounds going on in the atmosphere all the time, which we don't hear, which we normally don't hear. Only when we see or we are distracted by a sound, then you hear the sound. Otherwise, constantly the sound is with you. Like this fan is on. Do you hear anything? No. But if you look at it, you pay attention to it, then you can hear there is some sound. There is some sound. Like I was, see. Here, these two pigeons, this couple, uh, the pair, they are, their beaks are, they are kissing. But the sound what I am hearing is of a crow. That means there are a lot of birds in this area. So what visual and see you still that crow is there, but there is no visual.
Okay.
The sound is going. That scooter is going, making such a low sound. You can't hear. But I heard because I saw it. So the sound is there. So sound recorders has to make so much. Put so much brain when they are doing the background sound effects. It's an amazing art. Film. It's very interesting what they must be going through in their mind all the time. We don't realize. So a movie sound person who is doing the background sounds has technically has to be and must he has to be she to be very observant about these sounds and sensitive. I remember, I don't remember the name of that movie of Spielberg, but there was one very funny thing nobody noticed in that film, and one sound was used 3 times in that movie. First time it went, but I could hear it was a very heavy sound. So there was a door and there was a wall and a sword was hanging, and here in the front, in the frame, a man was standing and talking to somebody, and he turned and he opened the door and went out, and the door shut, and that sword, because of the impact of the door on the wall, that sword fell down on the floor, and the sound came, bang, heavy sound, bang. Okay, nothing unusual. Then around, I don't know, after a very long movie going on, same thing happened. The man is standing here. Now the frame is little shorter, and the half door is there on the wall. The sword you can see, and but you can't see the ground level was not seen so much. The wall, and this man goes in the mid shot and goes out of the door, shuts the door, impact of the door, and sword goes out of the frame. You can see the sword falling, and it falls down, but it goes out of the frame. You are not watching the sword falling on the floor, and it makes the same bang. I said, okay, I smiled. Then again, around 15-20 minutes passed, and the man is going out of the door, and you can't see the sword this time on the wall. You are just seeing the man and the door, and he shuts the door, and there is that impact and without the sword being in the frame, I heard tung, the same sound, and I started laughing in the cinema hall. Everybody was with me. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? I said nothing. Because I got it first time why this sword made so much sound. Second time I said, okay, this sword is going down. Let's see. And I was expecting third time, okay, the sword is not see, but that sound came. So see, the humor was created by that. These three. So how much brain must have been put for this, which nobody must have. I mean, audience mustn't have paid any attention to it, but the director, the writer, the sound recordist, they all must have thought about it in these three times that it happens in the movie. It will happen like that, and some people who have this thing like I could make it out, and I had to tell people. Then they started laughing. So this is how a sound recordist must be working.
We also talked about Ricky Gervais, Afterlife, and
Yeah,
he had
yeah.
this very
He was doing, and so he was a sad person, and he was depressed. We are not going into the story, but he was. The humor was very black in that. So sad, everything, but he was smiling all the time and feeling sad. So this sound of so I feel it. It is must have been written AH. Ah. But if you say ah, so you are just saying ah. You don't have to say ah. It is it is coming like a sigh. It is coming like a sigh. So if you are not saying the sound of the written word, the sound, words are sounds. Words are merely sounds. WORD is a sound when you say word. But when you pay attention to word, you see the word. When you say pigeon, you unconsciously, subconsciously, you can see the pigeon. I mean, it is, it is, it is. I mean, when the words create the image in your mind, and that's how you understand a word and the, the, the combination of words which makes a sentence, and we understand the whole thing because word by word you are seeing these images, and these words are sounds. So if an actor is just saying the word, you will not feel anything because you have to speak the sound of the word. See the sound. The word is sound. And what I said, because I was expressing, you have to say the sound. Sound, I said, not you have to say the sound of the word. It's not, it was not. So I said the sound of the word sound. So the same thing is like when you are writing alas, ALAS. You say alas, it's going so flat because it is coming. Alas is, if you pay attention to it, it is a sigh. So if the actor is not sighing while saying it, The impact is very flat. Alas. Oh no, it is not alas. You don't say the word. It is alas. See? So I don't know how much I am being able to express myself.